What if I told you China just exposed some of the biggest luxury brands in the world, and it's not about fashion, it's about deception. In a bold move, Chinese authorities launched a secret investigation into global luxury giants.
More than 80% of the luxury bags in the world are made in China.
When that Chinese man got on his app and said all the luxury items are made in China and they only go to Italy to have the tag put on it, the designer tag, and once that designer tag is put on it, now it can say made in Italy because only that small little percentage was actually made in Italy, but that's all it takes to say made in Italy. Now it makes it over here to our designer boutiques and we're spending thousands upon thousands of dollars for something that was in fact made in China, not Italy. I don't care how much you're spending on a thing. Chances are it is coming from China.
I will tell you 30 luxury brands. Some of their products are made in China. Ralph Lauren, Armani, Nike, Dior, Lululemon, Apple, Michael Kors, Coach, Calvin Klein, Prada, Balmain, Swarovski, Adidas, The North Face, Rimowa, Levi's, Burberry, Versace, Chanel, Cartier, Ferragamo, Timberland, Yves Saint Laurent, Victoria's Secret, Puma, Uniqlo, Disney, Max Mara, Givenchy. The producing cost is only 1/10 of its price.
How much are you paying for your iPhone? If it's too expensive for you, maybe consider something that is completely waterproof and you can drop it as much as you want and it will not break. I just fished it out of the water. It's working completely fine and it's 100% made in China, Shenzhen. For a small iPhone 16 like this, you're paying more than $700 on US Amazon, and for something amazing like this that is made in China, you're paying less than $400. And if you're a wholesaler, the price is even cheaper. This is what made in China looks like. But then again, iPhone is made in China as well.
$2, $2, $2, $2, $2. Such a brand t-shirt costs only $2 in China. It's all like this. Independent packaging with tag. You can take it back to your country and sell it for $10. Even $20. But you only spent $2. If you are interested in our brand t-shirt, you can follow me or leave me a message in the comment area.
Come with me to check out China's biggest luxury wholesaler. Thanks to President Trump's recent tariffs, Chinese manufacturers for luxury brands like Hermes, Chanel, LV, etc. are coming out of the woods and offering direct sale to us peasants and the US at a pinch of the price. When you walk in, they hand you gloves because the goods you're about to handle are still the same top quality. I've never seen so many Hermes bags lined up in front of me, let alone try every size and color on like I'm in Walmart. Best part is there's no sales assistant stalking you. No upsells, and you're only paying 20% of the price.
Today my company coming 300 pieces as is iPhone 16 Pro, 2x6GB and 128GB. We have Miss Gold. This is China version can to SIM, grade A+. Come in, see the store. Grade A+, no dent, screen clean. But it's active, all the battery is 100. If you want to buy iPhone 16 Pro, please contact us.
China is exposing all these luxury brands because they've been selling lies to you saying made in Italy, made in France, but they're actually being manufactured in China. 80% of all this product, and this is why I had an argument over it with my partner last year, because I paid £23 for white Air Forces that came straight from China, and she said, oh, those are fake, I will never wear them. And I said to her, look, all of these products that you wear, everybody's wearing, they are manufactured in China. And here's the proof, because of the world tariffs, all these brands are being exposed.
How much is that bag over here?
This one, the B bag?
Yeah.
This one is going to be, oops,
Sorry. How are you, brother?
4,100.
Hold on. Shit.
It is it's suede, that's right. So it's suede and leather.
Is that right? They're making those in China more cheaper?
Nah, I mean, all our product comes from Italy.
Oh.
Yeah, so, I mean, I'm sure you can make it in China, but you're not going to get the same expert craftsmanship.
Oh.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Yeah, there's been a lot of, like, videos and stuff going around the internet.
Dude from Louis Vuitton is selling you the pipe dream, but what is he selling you? That the Louis Vuitton bag is going to make you dope. He conned everybody. There's a verse in the Bible that says, at the end of times, the merchants will deceive the entire world. Bro, design, that's all a scam. It's a gimmick. It's a facade.
This is why this bag from our factory only costs you 1,000 USD.
Breaking. China just exposed the entire luxury fashion industry, and it's not looking good for the big brands. Turns out, those designer bags and shoes you've been paying thousands for, many of them are actually made in China, not Italy, not France. Same factories, same materials, same products, just with different labels.
Chinese manufacturers are saying that you should not be buying the Hermes bags or Prada bags or Nike shoes from the luxury brands. Instead, you should be buying it directly from the Chinese manufacturers. In other words, the luxury brands are going to be spending billions of dollars on marketing their products, building their brands, organizing fashion shows, hiring influencers so that the Chinese manufacturers can go directly to their clients and sell these products for Walmart prices. That's just delusional. You buy them because of what they represent, how they make you feel, or what status they project. And yes, the logo or the brand name is way more valuable than the manufacturer.
This is how they get you scammed. I love what is happening here.